news doing the rounds about a metapneumovirus outbreak in China. Let me be very clear on that count. Metapneumovirus is like any other respiratory virus which causes a common cold. And in the very old and the very young, it could cause flu-like symptoms. However, we have analyzed the data of the respiratory outbreaks within the country. There is no substantial increase in December 2024 data, and no cases which have been reported in large numbers from any of our institutions. In any case, during winters, there is an increased outbreak of respiratory virus infections, for which our hospitals are usually prepared with the necessary supplies and the necessary beds. One thing I would like to convey to the public is to take the general precautions that we use against all respiratory infections, which means in case somebody has cough and cold, he should avoid coming in contact with a lot number of people so that the infection does not spread. And while using a distinct hanky or towel for coughing and sneezing, and take the normal medicines that are required for cold or fever whenever it's there. Otherwise, nothing to be alarmed about.